Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make a powerful induction heater. As you can see, I have the resistors, N-channel MOSFET, and the copper we are using, and the capacitor we are using, ceramic capacitor guys. So guys, follow up and see how this thing is working. Let's go guys and build this. Thank you.
I didn't know that it'd be so hard yet for me to relax, finding my purpose. I don't know what makes me happy, don't know what makes me sad. I sit around and ponder emotions in my head. I give up, no matter what I do, I'm not here, no. I try so hard to stop, I give in to every single bad temptation, and I just wanna
So guys, here is the N-channel MOSFET, and here is another N-channel MOSFET guys, and we have 10k resistor that comes from the gate of this MOSFET to the source of this MOSFET, and we have another 10k MOSFET resistor. As you can see guys, you can check the color coding, and from the gate to the source guys, as you can see guys.
I just wanna feel free without any expectations. So many people think they know me, but they only know my music. And there's so much opportunity, so hard to make the most of it. When you feel so depressed and your bed whispers just to stay in it, I think I've had enough of it. I know that I'm not gonna win. Surrendering my everything, I'm giving up, I'm giving in. Nobody understands what I'm going through. Can't explain when you don't come from it. I give up, no matter what I do, I'm not here, no. I try so hard to stop, I give in to every single bad temptation, and I just wanna feel like a good person, a good person. When I wake every single morning now, I give up, I give up, I give up.
So guys, this is our driver, as you can see, for the induction heater. This is 10k resistor and was connected from the gate of this MOSFET to the source, as you can see the wire here, and the second MOSFET gate to source with 10k resistor, and we have 22 ohms resistor. As you can see, the two resistor is 22 ohms, and we connect it from gate to drain of the second MOSFET, then the second resistor gate to drain of the first MOSFET guys. So this middle wire will be our output for the induction heater, which is the drain and drain guys. So let's connect it now. Then we have two capacitor, 400 volts. So we are connecting it to this wire and the second wire that came from the drain of the MOSFET, and this also came from the drain of the first MOSFET guys.
To be a better me, I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset.
So guys, here is our capacitor. As you can see, I've soldered it parallel. So we are connecting it to this wire and the second wire here that came from the middle pin of the MOSFET and the other middle pin of the second MOSFET, which is the drain.
I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no.
So guys, as you can see, I've completed this circuit, and this will be our negative. This is the negative, and the second negative of the MOSFET, we are going to connect it parallel to the negative of this second MOSFET, and here is our output that came from the middle pin of the MOSFET, and the other middle pin of the MOSFET was connected like this and was connected parallel to this 400 volt capacitor, as you can see guys. So we are using 22 ohms resistor from gate to drain of the first MOSFET, then another 22 ohms resistor from gate to drain of the second MOSFET guys, and we have the drain pin out here, the both wire here, and we have our coil here guys. This is for the positive, and we are putting our wire to this, the two wires. So guys, let's try it and see how this thing is working. So this is for the negative, connect it to the source. So now guys, this is our negative. As you can see, I connected it parallel to the negative, to the source of the second MOSFET and the first MOSFET as well. As you can see the wire guys, this white wire. So here is our coil for the inductive. So we are going to place our wire here and the second wire here guys, and this is our positive, and here is our negative guys, and here is a capacitor parallel. So we are going to connect our coil now guys. So let's do that now. So guys, as you can see, I've connected our wire, the both wire that came from the middle pin of the MOSFET, and the second middle pin of the MOSFET was connected here too, was connected parallel to this capacitor. And as you can see guys, this will be our positive. So our project has been completed guys. So I will put the diagram below so we can watch how to make it guys. So let's test it guys. So friends, as you can see, this is our positive, and the positive came from this power supply, 12 volt power supply, as you can see, full bridge rectifier. And this is our negative, and I had a switch to it. As you can see guys, this is a switch, and this is our negative, and this is the positive that came from the full bridge rectifier to DC, from the DC. So this is our inductive function guys. So guys, let's test it and see how this thing is working. So before testing it, we want to test it with this. As you can see, we have this inductor, as you can see, and this is 12 volts bulb, 56 watts. So let's see how this thing will power it wirelessly. So let's give it a try guys. So let me on it. As you can see guys, it really works to know if our driver is working. As you can see guys, wirelessly, as you can see, it's very bright. So guys, we want to try it and see how this thing is working. So let me on it and see how the as you can see guys, so it is working. Please subscribe to my channel. See guys, our project is working.